Coach G, Paolo, and also me. Nakakatuwa that I'm invited and thankful that I'm invited here. And me is part of our church of life. We are here representing God through the ceremony that we have. Pasensya sa akin na po na medyo puto lang natin na po, tingin na tayo. Kita ko yung paano ng bawat isa para may galit. Okay lang po yun. But right now, this morning, before we continue with our day, we want to dedicate the blessings that God has given in this room. Because kung we will look into the reality, is that what we are experiencing now is a good stewardship of this group of owners. Hindi lang po ito nangyari overnight. It did not happen because they decided to open this pickleball club. But it happened because of their faithfulness to God. It happened because they have decided to be good stewards of the resources, the skills, and the talents that they have. And in Deuteronomy 29, I will lay out all the blessings that we can have if we start with one truth, and that is when we obey. And because of their obedience, andito po tayo ngayon. Because of their obedience, we are experiencing the blessings. But before I share more on how we can get a grip of the blessings of God, siguro I like to hear from Coach Eugene, paano na tayo nag-grip? Paano ba nag-umpisa na we were able to be standing here in this very beautiful hall dahil meron vision yung mga kanila. So let me want to talk Coach Eugene. Guys, me, the rest of the coach, Coach Eugene as well.
Hi everyone, good morning. Thank you for having me. So, I just want to share our community ngayon. So, we started out as a family gathering. Kasi we are tennis. Tapos our children play tennis under father and husband. Then suddenly, naging legal po sa Philippines in 2021. Because of COVID, gusto na mag-passport. And now here we are, 2024. Sabi ko, tayo na hindi ka talaga. Kasi marami na gusto na siya. So from family Manila sa Ecuador, naisip namin marami namin tayo ng work na sarili. Because hindi na po, nagkakaan ako, naiganit sila. They were interested ko. Sabi ko, mag-start tayo sa mga bata. Kasi sila yung ready to support the future na imbis na mag-gadgets, imbis na punta sila sa mga aming provision, nandito tayo sa support. So, kung may children, kung meron tayo sa report, mas mag-require sa tayo ng mga adults ngayon na masyado ng salitary yung lifestyle. Puro na lang work. Kasi yung bigger ko, madali siyang matula. Siya ngayon maraming may case na bigas pa sa kanya. So, babalik tayo sa active lifestyle. Hindi na tayo mag-work sa kayo. So, from that, kung yung bigger ko na magkakaroon mo, to encourage more children, more adults to stay active. And of course, yung family natin, pinag-ibig natin, encourage natin. Kasi maraming family to celebrate para lalabas dito sa world. So, hopefully, pag this, mag-iintak yung family, mag-iintak yung friendship because of this world. Yan po. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Now, look, really that question is about supporting the family, supporting their health, and that's why we're here. Now, the question is, how can we let it address now the owners of the family? How can we have that role to the blessing that God has given you? And pag sinabi natin po, ibig sabihin, nagagawin natin ang mga. And the same way, as you play pickleball, you will be using your hand. One of it, kasi sa body parts natin, gagawin natin yung kamay natin. And when we put the guide you in running your business. And because you have faith in God, you need to know naman natin our pointing finger will represent your vision. You have good faith, and now you have vision. And the vision will also come from the Lord. Not the vision. And when we say not the vision, like in Proverbs 29:18, the word is no vision. The people will perish. So kailangan continue on with your business. Pero wala yung gagawin. God was guiding you in the way to identify it. And then next, the middle finger. Hindi natin gagawin yung middle finger natin dahil galing tayo. Huwag yun, kasama yun. But we should present our integrity. Integrity as business owners because your reputation is an individual and your reputation is malaking bagay to your community. You are building a community. And that is because you are guided by faith. You have vision coming from God. So dapat your integrity is also based on the principles of God. Sabi natin, upright and isolated, but the faithful are destroyed by their iniquity. So dapat you as the company owner, as the owner of this is committed to the integrity that is based on God. And number 4, that yung ring finger natin is your commitment. Yan ba yung business that you're starting? Diba? You should be very committed to what you are starting to do. People now here in this community is depending on you. People now here in this area is depending on sana bukas na lang tayo ng area ng Saturday. Yung pagpunta nila dito walang tao kasi hindi na yung ginagawa. For you to get a hold of God's blessing, you are also praying. Sabi nga ito, whatever you do it with all your heart as working for the Lord, not for you. It is very important that the reason why we are doing this is we are dedicating our work to God. And lastly, the baby. Akala natin napakaliit na baby, but it will remind us of our community. From what we are seeing right now, there are so many people that are here. And because of the success that you are getting, baka ilan yung kayo ay kami ang pinakamaganda mo. So, dapat we should be reminded of our humility. Because, sabi nga dito, in James 4, it says that humble yourselves before the Lord, and He will lift you up. So, dapat i-declare natin that we have vision from God, we have integrity, we have commitment to what we are starting, and you are humble enough to be partnering with the people around this community. And when you are being guided by the 5 principles, you will have a very good view of the blessing that God is giving you. Now, siguro before we end our time together in blessing this group of people that is leading our Bicol Golf Club, can I invite everyone